you over, you just can't breathe.
Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake?
At Tolbers with Performance Diecasts, back at it with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing a 2008 Nissan GTR R35. Got the red and the black, and the company is Norev. If you guys want to get this car, I'll have a link in the description. It's to Diecast Model Wholesales, which I think is one of the best diecast websites you can get cars from. They have like the biggest selection and they have really good prices. And if you use the coupon code NEXT, it saves you 10%. And I think it's only like 55 bucks. And otherwise, if you go on Amazon, I think it's like 70 something. So, but yeah, so let's get to unboxing this bad boy.
Take you over, you just can't breathe.
Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake?
The 2008 Nissan GTR. It's the R35. This diecast car is made by Norev, but obviously it's a Nissan in real life. The Nissan GTR has a 3.8 V6 twin turbo, and in 2008 it was 480 horsepower. The new 2020 I think has like 465 horsepower. Same engine, basically looks the same. You know, they got like little things that are changed, like the fog, the grill's a little different. Interior is obviously a little bit different, but it doesn't even look much better in my opinion. It's still the R35. It's got better internals and, you know, tuning or something like that. But yeah, there's the trunk, nice and shiny, nothing special in there, but it looks nice, not carpeted or anything. There's the rear end, it does say GTR, looks cool. Bam. Love this color combo. They also make one in blue and dark gray. There's the wheels. Bam. Looking good. Looking fly. You know, it is a little plasticky, honestly. But for 55 bucks, guys, this is freaking sweet. And the other company that makes them, I don't think they open up. So that's why I went with Norev. But yeah, that looks good. Real good. There's the front again. Oh, and there's a button under here. I'll show you in a second. Boom. That's how you pop the hood. Otherwise, there's like locks. There's a little button right there, if you can see it. And there is the exhaust. It's not super special, but at least it's colored, you know, silver or whatever, chrome or whatever you want to call it. So it's not super high definition or whatever you want to call it, super high quality, but it looks good, you know. And it's got the suspension on here. It's not the most amazing suspension. It feels a little plasticky, but it works. The steering wheel does turn on it. Pretty good. This isn't no Auto Art $200 one like the Focus RS or that Lexus LC500. Those felt nicer, honestly. But I think this is the best one you can get. And if I'm wrong, leave a comment telling me so I can order the better one. But yeah, this thing's pretty sweet, guys. So if you want to get one of the link in the description, use the coupon code NEXT. It does international shipping. But yeah, guys, if you like these videos, just remember to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more videos. I got 2 more cars, and then once I do the next one, I'll probably be ordering some more cool ones, some of the requests people have made. So all right, guys, I'll talk to you later.
Just